What are you guys looking at? Hey. Stop looking at me like that. Hi. Okay, I'm done.
I'm done.
I think I'm done.
Not yet.
Am I?
No.
No. You're still a little squishy.
You just stabbed yourself in the face with that knife.
Hi guys. No, it's gone.